After being a carpenter for 20 years, I decided to come up with 48 tools. Now I have somewhere to keep all my batteries. So Makita is the brand that I mainly used as a tradesman. So these were the first, this is actually the very first battery holder that we designed. 4 screws to put them in place, everything locks in. Now with our tool holders, we've kept the same sort of design. So they still lock in place. You're going to be able to drive around with your trailer or your van and these aren't going to come off. Kept everything neat and tidy. As you can see, I haven't put something away, so I know something's missing there. And then as we've expanded, we've moved on to different brands. So we have tool holders for our Milwaukee and for Dewalt, and we also do the battery holders as well. We made sure, because batteries are getting big now, that all our battery holders will take the large batteries as well. So this is a 9 amp hour Dewalt. It'll also fit the 12 amp hour as well. So yeah, nice and strong, but very light, very easy to mount, and yes, much stronger than they look. So, you know, people will sit there and go, oh, they're only plastic. ABS plastic or injection molded plastic is actually what your tools are made of. So even though this might be plastic, so is this. And we all know how much you can throw these things around. One of these battery holders will take everything you can throw at it and you're not going to have any problems. 48 Tools is available online or in store in your local Bunnings.